Hello, everybody. Welcome to Wednesday. The S&P 500 was up 1.4% today. We didn't have any changes on our signals for the stock market, although our fast signal will go to green tomorrow if we have a decent day, and no changes on our bond market signals either. Today was interesting in the fact that, we had a pretty good size upturn and no discernible reason why. And this is what we've been seeing at the end of each quarter. So if you look back to the third quarter of last year, went down a lot, no particular reason, turned around right away. Look at the fourth quarter, right at the end of the year, down quite a bit, no discernible reason, turned around. We end up having a really good January, actually. And if you look back to the first quarter of last year, had a big run up right at the end, turned down the first day of April and just kept on going. So the reason for this is because you got these big pensions and target date funds and what have you that are rebalancing. And so sometimes they're buying stock to rebalance to buy more, or sometimes they're selling stock, depending on the relationship between bonds and stocks. So I suspect we're seeing some buying coming in the stock market from those big holdings. Again, here we are just a few days away from the end of the quarter. And of course, you have this high short interest on the market, which just means that when the market does start to move up, people who are shorting different stocks sometimes will cover those shorts by buying that stock back. And of course, that makes the market go up even more. So, pretty interesting. But I just kind of warn people, like I did at the end of last year, to not draw too many conclusions from what's happening here, right at the end of each quarter. Kind of might want to let that play through and see what does happen after that. But really good time frame altogether to be, watching what's happening. Lots to be learned here in this particular market. So look forward to talk to you tomorrow, and we'll see what happens and see if this kind of little rally continues or not. I'll talk to you then. Thank you.